Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be tackling a random game. It's not going to be edited. I will try my best to explain what I'm thinking. Try not to go too fast, of course. For more tips, you can always check out these other videos if you have not already. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for the columns. That's these cards here. And then work on the draw pile, which is these cards over here. I'll save the early cards as insurance. It looks like this will be an insurance card. But let's go back and just go from this sequence here. So, only card we can play right now is the Ace of Hearts. We'll play that. And it looks like that's it. So, this card right here, going to save that as insurance. Not going to use it yet. You could... Well, there's no other extra move here. If there was like an extra move you can make that would drop down... from playing this sequence, I might consider that playing early, but you want to save this because this card right here will affect, there's like 24 cards in this draw pile, and this card's going to affect all the rest of them, the other 21, how they reset. So yeah, we're not going to play it yet. We will play it later though. So no move there, no move there either. Wow. Oh, no. We have a move at the very end. That's good. And we can move the 6 of diamonds here. 2 of spades. I think we're going to have to play this jack. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to play this jack. Let's go through and see. There should be no other moves there. Yeah, there's no other moves there. So we got to play the jack now. And we'll just keep our fingers crossed that we can find some more moves. So what is under this 10 is probably going to be have a big impact on what we do next. So we're going to play here. There's a 5. That's good. We can open up the column more. And that's an 8. That's not a good card. Not a good card for us. We'll take a look and see if we have any moves here. Now we're going to be able to look at this. This 5 is going to drop next. We can't play that. We can play this 9 of diamonds. So this 9 of diamonds is probably going to be our next play. And then we'll move this 8 of spades underneath it. That will come on the next sequence after we reset the straw pile here. Can't play either one of these. Oh, we could play the Ace of Clubs. I think we're going to play the Ace of Clubs. Then we'll play that 9 of diamonds under, and then we'll move this 8 as well. But we're going to play the Ace of Clubs first, I believe. And yeah, we could play. Yeah, we'll play the Ace of Spades as well. So those are the cards that are going to drop here. So. Going to go forward all the way to the spot where the Ace of Clubs is. We'll play that. And, of course, play the 2 of Clubs. Okay, that's, I think, good. Because I think we can, yeah, we're going to drop a king down in here at some point and then open up one of these queens. Not sure which one yet, but we'll do this. Ace of Spades is good. We can move this 2 of Spades up. I think we'll move that. Yeah, I think we'll move that because then we got these 2 columns open and then we can put kings in. And then if you'll notice, we got a bunch of 8s here. We just need to find the corresponding 9s and then we can open up these columns in the spot right here. So let's just go through again. We can move this king. If there was only one slot open, I might hold off on moving this king because it's in the back of the draw pile and you typically want to play cards if you have 2 of the same like kings and stuff, you want to play them from the front of the draw pile. But we'll see. We'll just move this queen here. And there's a 7. We can move that. So we've got enough columns open for any kings we have. We just got to figure out a way to manipulate the draw pile right. So ideally, we'd like to be able to move that. We can't. But we can move this 9. This will be our insurance card, though, just in case there's something else behind. And it looks like there is not going to be anything behind here. Yeah, there's nothing behind, so we'll play it and keep our fingers crossed. We can move this 9 here. And then I believe the next sequence is going to be... Oh, yeah, we can get to this king. Because this 4 diamonds will drop here, and then we'll drop the king. And then we'll see if we can find some more moves here. Ideally, we want to get this black 9 out of there. So we're just going to go through again here. Okay, working through again, and we need to figure out how to get to this black 9. That means we need to drop 1 card in front of it. And in this case, that card is going to be this 4 of diamonds right here. Okay, so we're going to go through again. And oh, by the way, we can play this 6 of hearts as well. We should definitely play this. That'll allow us to open up this column. Oh, that's good. We can move this. Opens up the column more, and that's kind of a dead end. The real question is going to be when we get this 9 down, which 8 we should play. If you notice, there's 2 8s right here, and we'll tackle that in a minute. We don't know which sequence, but we're gonna figure it out here. So let's go back again. There's the king. That'll allow us to play a red queen later on. There's the 9, and we're just going to go through the rest of this real quick. Oh, we want this 10 down. I believe that 10 should drop next because we moved 2 cards in front of that, so we can move the 10 over here. And, okay, we can move this queen as well. So going through again, and ideally we'd like to get to this ace of diamonds at some point as well. Hopefully I'm not talking too fast here. Here it is. There's the 10. We can move that. There's the jack. There's the other 9 we can move. And, yeah, we're going to go through again here. I think that is it for these. Yeah, that's it for the draw pile. So now we got to keep our fingers crossed. What is under these 8s? We're going to figure out one of these 8s we're going to move. We don't know which one yet. We're going to try this one first. That gives us an 8 there. So we can move that. That gives us a 6 we can move. And it gives us 3 of clubs. This might be a good sequence. We could move this 5, but we still can't move the queen because we need a king. We'd like to get to the ace. Yeah, that sequence might not work. We could move the 4 and the 3, but then that doesn't really help a lot. Because then we're stuck with this sequence, and we can't get to the... I think that's a losing sequence. So we're going to go back to where the 8s were again. Just going to keep hitting undo. There we are. We're going to play this 8 instead. And that's a king. So that's good. But it's still a little tricky. We may or may not be able to solve here. We're going to find out. 4 hearts we can move. That's good. If you see the 5 of spades right there. The 6 we can move. That's good. Whew, that's a good card. A 10 of hearts is good. And ace of heart, or the 2 of hearts is a great card because we can put it up top. We can do the same with the spade. And now it gets tricky. We're going to save this 5 of hearts as insurance. I believe that's our first card. I think there was a king, or was there a king in the back? There was not a king in the back. So we're just going to play, we're going to play the back of the draw pile first, try to get as many cards out of there, and then we'll obviously move this queen at some point. But let's see, 4 of spades up. I can't do anything with 3 of diamonds, but I believe the 3 of, oh no, it is the 3 of diamonds. We'd like to get to... You'd like to move this 9 of spades. The problem is we also want to move this queen, and we'd like to move this jack. So we've got a couple different options here. I think we almost have to get this ace of diamonds up. So we're going to play this 5 of hearts down. And then, I like to maybe play 1 or 2 cards, but it looks like there's no other ways to play this. Yeah, so we're going to play this queen here and see if that sequence works. If that sequence doesn't work, we're going to play this queen instead. So we don't know yet. We'll see. Move this jack. So that's a 4 of clubs. We could play the ace up here because then we can move the 3. I think there's a 3 of diamonds at the end. We could try that sequence and see how that works. So 2 of diamonds up. Oh yeah, this sequence will work. Because now we can get to this 9 and then we can move this 8 over here. I think that sequence will work. If that sequence doesn't work, we'll try the one with the other queen. But yeah, 3 of diamonds up. 3 of hearts up. 9 goes right here. We'll move the 8 of hearts over here and open up the column. Okay, we can move this 8 of clubs, open up that column. Now we can pull the 5 of diamonds down. We'll move the 7 of diamonds over here, and that will allow us to open up this column with the 6 of clubs. And I think, yeah, we've got this solved. We're just going to have to move all these cards up and then get to the queen. It's going to take a little while, but we'll do it. So 3 of clubs up, 4 of clubs up. We'll just keep moving cards up to the foundation pile there. 5 of clubs, 6 of clubs. We'll do hearts 4, 5, 6. And then spades 5, 6, 7 of spades. Now we'll do diamonds. 6 diamonds, 7 of diamonds, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts. And then we'll just move the clubs up. And yeah, we pretty much have this solved. Move diamonds up. And then hearts. And then we'll do clubs again. Yeah, we pretty much have this solved. Just would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck. I'm going to be signing out here in just a minute. Oh, wrong sequence here. Clubs, clubs, and there we have it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and good luck.